Alright, so welcome to the coding session of lesson 7, Logistic Regression. And in this case we will use the Reuters dataset. Yeah, what is the Reuters dataset? Well, it's a dataset of short news wires that date from 1986. Yeah. This is a multi-class classification problem because basically we're going to run through these news wires and then classify them according to 46 options. Yeah. So here you have the news wires, and then we need to put them in one of the 46 categories. These could be science, politics. Here I have science again, so let me change that to sports, for example. Yeah. The way we're gonna transform these news wires into text is exactly as we did with IMDb and the naive Bayes exercise. So you want to understand this a bit better, go back to video number 77. So the fact that the Reuters dataset comes with Keras gives us the benefit that we already have the news wires translated in a list of word sequences. Yeah. So you could have news wire number 1. Yeah. And this will come with a list of numbers 16, 4, 9, 4, 12, and so on. And each of these numbers represents a word. And this is what we call one-hot encoding. Yeah. Again, it's not a very sexy way of doing it, but we will see more efficient ways when we deal with neural networks. So here we also need to hot encode the labels, and this is also very simple. It's going to be 0 everywhere except the one where this category is belonging to. For example, if there is a category sports, category 46, you're going to have that one at the 46th row of that vector. All the rest will be zeros. The size of the dataset, well, we have about 9,000 training samples and about 2,246 test samples. So plenty of stuff to do for us. At the end, we will also give you a little table, comparing or benchmarking the classifiers against each other with respect to a specific dataset. This is something that we will continue to do, and this table will get bigger and bigger as we go along. Alright, let's start some coding.